What's up guys, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to install Google Play Store on Huawei MatePad SE11. Alright, firstly we need to connect the Wi-Fi to the Huawei tab and then go to App Gallery. That is the red icon, and then go to the search and type Play. Play. Down here is the Google Play that we need to install. Then select on this. If you press this, we need to repeat the step again, and then this app will appear, and then we need to select on the Get GBox. After that, select on Install and we need to wait for the installation completely. Everybody, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell for the future video. It may take about 2 minutes for the installing. Alright, after that we need to select on Open and Agree, and we need to press and hold the Google Play Store and then choose Create a Shortcut, and then the Google Play Store will appear on the desktop right here, that we can now sign in your Google account with the Google Play Store. So that's it for how to install Google Play Store on Huawei MatePad SE11. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.